Why'd you let me live? Why didn't you kill me? Answer me! What the for, huh? You didn't let anyone else live. Why? Go ahead. Just go ahead, pull the trigger. Go on, do it! Kill me! Take the shot! Why did you let me live? Why? Why didn't you just kill me like everyone else? You wanted to. Go ahead, just take the fucking shot!
Player 456, please cast your vote.
Все твои обещания пустота.